Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about moment of inertia of a hollow rectangular section. So I am going to derive formulae for Ixx and Iyy and I will solve one problem based on hollow rectangular section. So let us draw first one hollow rectangular section. So this is the outer rectangle of say width capital B and depth capital D, and this is inner rectangle. This is inner rectangle cut from the main rectangle. So this is hollow rectangular section. Now width of this is small b and depth of this is small d. Now this is horizontal centroidal axis xx and this is vertical centroidal axis, that is y. So this is the hollow rectangular section. Now we know that moment of inertia of rectangular section. Now forget this inner rectangle and only consider outer rectangle and tell me what is the moment of inertia of this outer rectangular section. So moment of inertia, that is mi of outer rectangular section. Outer rectangular section, I will take Ixx. So Ixx is equal to what? Outer rectangle is what? BD cube divided by 12. BD cube divided by 12. Now mi of, now forget outer rectangle, only consider inner rectangle. So mi of inner rectangle, mi of inner rectangular section, that is Ixx, I is equal to small bd cube divided by 12 because small bd cube divided by 12. Now what is this hollow rectangular section? This is outer rectangle and this inner rectangle is cut from outer rectangle. So the moment of inertia of outer rectangle, you have to subtract moment of inertia of this inner rectangle from outer rectangle. So moment of inertia mi of hollow rectangular section is about xx axis is Ixx of outer rectangle minus Ixx of inner rectangle. So that is equal to BD cube divided by 12 minus BD cube divided by 12. So that is equal to BD cube minus BD cube divided by 12. So this is Ixx. So this is the formula for moment of inertia of a hollow rectangular section about xx axis. Xx centroidal axis is BD cube minus BD cube divided by 12. And moment of inertia of hollow rectangular section about yy axis, that is vertical axis, vertical centroidal axis is dB cube minus dB cube divided by 12. So it is exactly opposite. So these are the two formulas for hollow rectangular section. By using these two formulas, you can solve the problems based on hollow rectangular section. Now see friends, one problem based on hollow rectangular section. So this is problem. A hollow square has inner dimensions a into a and outer dimensions 2a into 2a. Find moment of inertia about the outer side. So it is hollow square. So let us write given first. So what is given? A hollow square section is there. So draw hollow square section. This is outer square and this is inner square. And it is a hollow square section. Now the outer dimensions are 2a into 2a. 2a into 2a. And inner dimensions are a into a. And this is the horizontal centroidal axis. Now we have to find moment of inertia about the outer side. So I will take this outer side. You can take vertical outer side also and take vertical YY axis. I am taking here horizontal centroidal axis. So I am taking here outer side as a horizontal side. So make this as a AB axis. Now let us see how to find out a moment of inertia about the outer side. Means we have to find IAB. To find IAB. And we require to use parallel axis theorem. So formula is parallel axis theorem is what? IAB is equal to IG plus A into HS square. So A is the area of this hollow square section. So what is area of hollow square section? So A is equal to IG is what? IG means IXX. So IXX for hollow rectangular section is BD cube minus BD cube divided by 12. And area is B into D minus B into D is the area of this hollow square section. Now let us find out all the values and put in this equation. You will get answer. Now let us solve the problem. Solution. So here first find out Ixx of the hollow square section. Ixx is equal to BD cube divided by minus BD cube divided by 12. So what is capital B? 2A. Outer dimensions. Capital B is 2A and capital D is 2A. So 2A into 2A cube. 2A into 2A cube minus small b is A, small d is A. So A into A cube divided by 12. So that is equal to 2A into 2 cube 8 into A cube minus A into A cube is A raised to 4 divided by 12. So that is equal to 2 into 8 is 16. A into A cube is A raised to 4 minus A raised to 4 divided by 12. So that is equal to 16 A raised to 4 minus 1 A raised to 4, that is 15 A raised to 4 divided by 12. So this is Ixx. Now find out area. So A is equal to BD minus BD. So what is capital B? 2A into capital D 2A minus small b A into small d A. So it is equal to 2 into 2 4 A into A square minus A into A square So that is equal to 4a square minus 1a square, 3a square. So this is area. And what is h? H is what? So this is distance between two parallel axes. So this total is 2a, half is a. So h is a mm. Now put all these values in this equation. So IAB is equal to IAB, that is moment of inertia about outer side. IAB is equal to Ixx plus a into h square. So that is equal to Ixx is 15a raised to 4 divided by 12 plus area is 3a square into h is a and h square. So square. So that is equal to 15 by 12 a raised to 4 plus 3 a raised to 4. So it is equal to find out LCM. So it is 3 by 1. So 1 into 15, that is 15 a raised to 4 plus 12 into 3, 36 a raised to 4 divided by 12 into 1, 12. So that is equal to 15 plus 36, 51 a raised to 4 divided by 12. So this is the IAB. So this is our answer. So this is the method to solve problems based on hollow rectangular section. If values are given, then the problem will be simple than this. So thank you very much.